I'm gonna try to pick this Corbin here. That's what the bitting looks like. It's showing only 5 pins, but there's 6 in there. So the key with this is tension. These old Corbins, and the tension is what's key here. So if you're picking one of these old Corbins, watch your tension, because that'll be what's what. Try to jiggle in something here. Okay. Jiggle this into a false set. See if we can get out of it. Alright, get a little deeper false set. Get a little deeper false set yet. I think I was able to rock some of those pins in place. See where we're finding the feedback. I put spools in here. We got a feedback a little bit here. And voila. There she goes. Pretty easy. Let's see if we can get this clip off of here and we'll get it real quick. Okay, so we're still in the pick position. I move up just a tad. Use a large HPC follower. It fits in there perfectly. There's our core. Don't really see much of anything in there, just the pins. And so we got pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4. And it originally came with 5 pins with some master wafers in here, but dropping the tension wrench. I changed everything around so I could not have to deal with the master wafers and all that junk. So, and I added the 6 pin. So, let's give you a little zoom in on the pins there. And try to get that to focus a little bit. There it goes. Alright. Oh, there it goes. Of course it fell out. Standard in 1. Here, let's try to do it like this. Standard in 2. There's one of my spools. Spring fell out. Damn it. Dropping them out of there. I hate the hollow followers. Should have just drop them in there. There we go. Standard. And then standard. So there's what we're looking at, guys. You got... Sorry, I'm going to just try to hold the camera up there so you can see. You got all standards on the bottom. Like I said, I got rid of those master wafers and added a 6 pin here. And I put 2 spools right in the middle. Got 2 standards on either end. And that's that. So, with that being done, Mr. Jeff Moss said he wanted to take these off my hands. He would trade some sergeants, I believe. So, and I don't know if he wants this one. I'm not sure what cylinder this is, but for your picking pleasure, Jeff, I will include this with it. So send me a message and let me know if we'll be good to go. I got tons of keys here. The only one I don't have keys for is this one. So I'll show you these keys go for that one, and these keys go for this one. So send me a message, and everybody else, thanks for watching it, and of course, be legal.